Hello everyone, I am Paris Khosla, a student from Cambridge International School, Kuwait, Jalandhar, and I hope all of you are doing well. I would like to start off by sharing a philosophical idea called solipsism that suggests that self is the only existing reality, and all other seeming realities, including the external world, are just representations, manifestations of that self. Now, it is an ingenious idea in the sense that it cannot be resolved and forces us to want to know the ultimate truth. But I think the existence of humanity, or at least the thought of existence of humanity, is a much more comforting idea. Knowing that at all times you have someone to come home to, someone to talk to, someone to spend your days with. We are not discrete, we are continuous, and we each have a part of the infinite embedded into us that links each one of us. Walking on an unknown street, an unknown face seems familiar, all because of a connection deep down within us that we do not know of. Then why do we forget this? Why do we keep hurting others knowing that we end up hurting ourselves? Why is it that we get so caught up in trying to own meaningless and useless materialistic possessions? Sometimes I try to trace my thoughts down to the last figment of my existence, only to find that none of my actions, nothing I do has any meaning over the fractional existence of me. Individually, our actions are elemental and infinitesimal, but integrated, they amount to something still ever so small compared to the expanse of the entire cosmos, but still worthwhile for having done something together. At the present time, our connectedness is all the way more visible in context of how the coronavirus spreads from one human being to another, unknowing of the religion, color, caste, or financial situation of the person. This time makes us realize the worthlessness of all our materialistic possessions. It is time to be the best human we can be. Be considerate of others, be helpful, spread hope. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.